What's something people don't know about quick fitness wins? You don't need hours or a gym, consistency, smart moves, 7 focused days. Day 1, wake up, drink warm lemon water, walk 10 minutes. That tiny step flips the switch. 3 sets, 20 jumping jacks, 15 squats, 20-second plank, 10 crunches. Keep it gentle, breathe, eat a protein-rich breakfast, 2 boiled eggs, oats with almonds, hydrate, no crash diets. Day 2 to 4, increase reps slowly, 30 jumping jacks, 20 squats, 30-second plank, 15 crunches, add mountain climbers, walk after dinner to settle digestion, cut sugar, swap snacks for fruit, swap snacks for yogurt. Small, consistent changes beat dramatic one-day overhauls. Midweek slump, expect sore muscles. Rest if needed. Then push through with lighter sets. Days 5 to 7, push a bit more, up to 50 jumping jacks. Squats into the 30s. Plank up to 60 seconds. Add leg raises, bicycle crunches. Notice the breathing, the posture, the confidence growing. This isn't a miracle, it's a reset. 7 days builds habit, not perfection. Ready to try the challenge? Hit like if you're in. Comment, I'm starting. Subscribe for the full 7-day plan you can actually follow.